Hey, SMOKO, how are you doing, bro? See, that's nice vinyl, $200 vinyl compared to plastic $1 vinyl. Okay, let's go. Unboxing video. So, one of my items for this new Urban Outfitters haul has arrived, so we may as well open it up and show you guys one of the items of many to come. We'll have to go through them all, so, oh my god. I messed that up on that side. And on this side too. Oh, there we go. So let's see. One item out of many that we got. Very fun. This is an Arlo Mushroom Ambient Light by SMOKO. So SMOKO is one of their like design products that this Urban Outfitters sells a lot of. Really cool, little cute, little like kind of like Asian, kind of kawaii, like anime designs, like lots of like bubble tea kind of designs, like these little like happy kawaii faces. This one's a little kawaii mushroom light dude, so I think it's really cool. I love this box too, so that's actually really fun. I'll keep this box so that it was regular 40 Canadian. I think I got it for like 16 bucks or something. So it's made out of material vinyl, which is very nice. Has 100,000 plus hours of life, which sounds pretty good. I am cute, but I am not a toy used for decoration only. It requires batteries, so that's good that I don't have to plug it in. At least I can just run it. Run the batteries up. Vinyl, so it's a nice little collectible toy, and then it lights up too. So that's always nice. It is very tiny though. I knew that from the beginning, so I know what to expect because I like kind of like looked at the dimensions and kind of compared it and saw. Oh, it's more like solid than I was hoping. I thought it'd be more squishy, but it is that vinyl material, but not as like nice vinyl. It's more like plasticky vinyl instead of like that rubbery vinyl, which is what you would normally like. So it does look a little bit cheap. Oh well, that's Urban Outfitters. That's why they can mark it down so much, because it's cheap shit. Oh my god. They literally put a screw on the battery part, so you're gonna have to wait to see this, because I'm not setting this up yet. And I'm gonna have to find a spot to put them, so yeah. Fun stuff, am I right? He's cute, at least. He's a cute dude. You're always cute, you know.